stations. Union Minister of State for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Bhanu Pratap Singh Verma on Friday participated in the Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra programs held at Tinring village in East Khasi Hills. The Union Minister of State was accompanied by Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister Alexander Lalu Hek, along with the BJP State President Rikman Momin, in the presence of Deputy Commissioner R.M. Kurba and local MLA for Maurinkening, Hivingstone Kharpran. While speaking on the occasion, Verma said that the BJP-led government under the able leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi is committed for the overall development of the region through its various initiatives and programs. On the occasion, the Union Minister of State also distributed the work order to the beneficiaries of the PMAYG scheme. Deputy Chief Minister Prasun Tinsong and